Once again, good evening. Today is about Tuesday, August 19. So here, no, with the Arwin ergometer, tambal sa talang sakit, dili tumaron, exercises kapoy, but ayo ka, no? Again, kanay palit mo tambal, palit ka ng thirsty fruit, no? Again, so here, no, this is the Nickelodeon channel, yeah? So, Casey ni siya. This is from one of my patients, no? Si Nilo, no? So, I'm here, Boss Nilo, no? So, here, at yung casing, sa itong repair, no? Into the good time, no? Iyahang tension, again, the tension, no? Yan, tension, makuha malagi sa about nga maura gini nga exercises for the heart na nakapasado sa laboratory test, pasado sa lab test, see you in 3 months, no? See you in 3 months, pasado sa lab test, no? Again, for bypass operation ka, bisan pa ibalik ko ang angiogram. Again, negative na, no? Again, so here's the Disney, yeah? Again, so here, the Disney, again, Arwin ergometer. Tambal sa talang sakit, dili tumaron, exercises but kapoy, ayo ka, no? So, soon to be out in the market, yeah? So, again, here, again, kulang nagkapital, no? Again, mo ni siya, casing, then the yantas, mo sabusab, no? Again, the color is about very, very unique, it's about nga, fluorescent, no? Again, here, again, SpongeBob, yeah? Then, Dura, Nickelodeon channel, Cartoon Network, it's about Oogie and the Cockroaches. So, here, Ben 10, again, The Heart is Pure Care, Disney channel, no? Again, Disney channel, mga princess, no? Kay Mickey Mouse, and here, my mom, no? So, again, primero rin sa kumama nga, uy, na-disgrasya man sa slide, man ko siya sa gana, no? Again, lula na ni Arwin Gale. Again, right shoulder, frozen shoulder, no? Kwan pa kayo, acute pa, mo nang ka-feel siya sa init, no? Again, hinapay na siya. Again, pakita na ko ninyo the management, hot pack sentensya. Then the next one is about the massage, stretching, and strengthening the gasoline of the muscles. Then the Arwin ergometer. Again, thank you.